well, you can look behind me and you can see some of my signed baseballs I have. I'm going to show you some of my signed pictures. I have about a minute right here. Let's see what I can do right now. Bobbleheads and McFarlane figurines above. Start right at the bottom with a Moose Skowron autograph right there. Moving up, you know I like the Yankee catchers. A Bill Dickey autograph right there. Very nice. I like that one. Moving up even higher, you can barely see it if you can, but the glare of my light. Bucky Dent after hitting that home run at Fenway Park, that major home run to beat the Red Sox. Bob Watson autograph to me. I like that one a lot. I got this one after a minor league mystery pack. It's Philip Hughes, and it was Philip Hughes before he became the Philip Hughes you know. That was quotation marks I was trying to use. Mariano Rivera autograph. Beautiful autograph. Global authentication. This one's great. Aaron Boone game-winning home run. Let's see, Posada, Soriano, Barely Nick Johnson, Boomer Wells, Derek Jeter, and of course number 19, Aaron Boone. One of my favorites, Joe DiMaggio autograph. I'm gonna have to leave this with you right here. This one's beautiful. Joe DiMaggio. PSA DNA is on the